Okay, traders, this is the first interface you see whenever you open your MetaTrader on your personal computer. If you are yet to download the MetaTrader on your personal computer or smartphones, or if you don't know how to do it, do not worry, I have a tutorial on that. Kindly check the description of this video to see how you can download and install it on your personal computer or mobile devices. To skip to the login or connection of your broker to the MetaTrader in this tutorial, kindly use the timestamp in the description of this video to skip to that section. Before you can log in into the MetaTrader, start trading, customize, or to set your MetaTrader trading platform, you need a live or demo account. To have a live or demo account, you need to register with a brokerage firm. If you are yet to open a live or demo account with a brokerage firm, before you do that, kindly refer to the description of this video to learn more about the basic features you need to watch out for before you register with a brokerage firm, so as to avoid fraudulent brokerage firm. Check out the links in the description of this video or the link in my profile bio to access the information. Alright, with that being said, let's get down to business. So I have created an account already with my brokerage firm, and then I'll be giving the login details, the password, everything, and the server details. So these are the three things you need: your login ID, your password, and your server ID. These are the three things. So I downloaded this MetaTrader platform from my brokerage firm, and this is why you can see the list of the servers available on this brokerage firm. So this does not mean you cannot use this MetaTrader with other brokerage firm. Of course you can use it. So this is why you have another option which says right here, add new broker, like broker name or address, mtcompany.com 443 right here. So this is an option for you to add your own personal or preferred brokerage firm. So if I don't want to trade on this brokerage firm right here, I can use other brokerage firm. So this is one of the advantages of trading with MetaTrader. There is a flexibility to choose any brokerage firm of your choice, provided the brokerage firm offers meta trading platform. Alright, here to log in into your live or demo account, you can select any of the server right here. That is, if you have your server being presented right here on the list of available servers and on this brokerage firm. Alternatively, if your server is not presented right there, that means if you want to trade on another brokerage firm or platform, you can just search the server right here and you click right there. So let's just demonstrate how you can search your server right here. So I will have to copy the details sent to me by my brokerage firm. So I will open a notepad right there so that you guys can see the details sent to me. So these are the details of my account created on my brokerage firm. So this is the ID, the password, the demo server. So right now I will copy the demo server right here. You can be given the details in your email as well. So just copy. Once you copy, go to the box right here and then paste it, then scan. Once you click on the scan, everything will be scanned. The servers that correspond to the details you pasted will be scanned. So you have the options at this sections list right here. And the next step to take is to select the server. So this is the server right here. You can see that we have this HF Markets XXV demo server. So the one that corresponds to this server ID is this first one right here. So you click on that server. Once you click on the server that corresponds to your search, then you click on next. Then on the next page, you need to log into your live or demo account. So if you don't have an active account, you need to create one. So right here, if you don't have a demo account, you can just click on new demo account and you click on next to create a demo account. If you want to create a live account, you click on the new real account and then you click next. So let's see how the next page is going to look like if we click on new demo account and then click on next. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to your broker's official website. So that is what will definitely happen. I downloaded this from the HF Market, so I will be redirected to this server's website. All right, good. So I already have my details created. I have an account created, so I just have to choose on existing trade account. And then next, what I'm going to do is to input my login details. So I copy my login ID right here. This is my login ID. You can have this in your email as well. Your brokerage firm will send this copy to your email. Now I paste on the login, and then once again I copy my password given to me, and then I go under the password right here, and then that's all. If you selected the right server and then you input the right password and login, then automatically everything will go smoothly. And then you can click on the save password right here. Should in case you want to log in next time, you don't have to repeat all these login details or steps. Just click on save password. So the software will save your login and password details and your server ID. So once you click on finish, if your login details are correct, you'll see the internet connection status right here, which will be connected, and you have the reading parameters right here. You have the connection status. If you input the wrong details right here, you will have invalid connection or error connection. You won't be able to log in. So this is how you can log in into your MetaTrader interface, provided it's a MetaTrader platform. Maybe it's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It is the same process. In the next tutorial, I will walk you through how you can customize, modify, set the MetaTrader trading interface to suit your trading activities. What are the basic features, the basic things you need to know as a beginner if you want to trade on this trading platform. This is what we talk about in the next tutorial. Link to the next tutorial in the description of this video. Are you a beginner in the financial market? Want to improve in your trading skills? Want to take your trading knowledge to the next level? I have a great news for you. Join my bi-weekly webinars and amplify your trading success. This is a trading webinar designed by ChartsEmpire for beginners and inexperienced traders who are willing to take their trading skills to the next level. Every Tuesday and then Thursday, this webinar will always hold. So it's from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. GMT +1 Tuesday and then Thursday. On Tuesday, this is general market discussion webinar. This is where I will share with you my market watch list. This could help you as a trader to have a better understanding the assets you should focus your attention on. And then on Thursday, this is beginners traders webinar. This is a section whereby I share with you as a beginner trader how you can become a consistent and profitable trader in the market, how you can improve in your technical, fundamental, sentimental, emotional, and risk management analysis in the financial market. So I know you don't want to miss it. This webinar is absolutely free. To become a member today, it's free. Click on the webinar link in the description of this video to become a free member today. Looking forward to seeing you in the webinar, and then looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Peace.